So is this our first takeaway coffee after like how many months?
3 months.
3 months. We kind of couldn't find vegan coffee for takeaway anywhere, so this is the first one, and it's lovely.
Nice cup.
It's lovely to be outside as well, and to finally get some sense of normality back. Not quite though.
To what used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. The neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky. I had it all but lost and fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day.
You know, I try to work more on this channel, and I try to do work more on the other channel, and I try to do more on our traveling channel, because the traveling videos have been kind of, you know, I didn't have time to do them. I'm still working though, not as much as I used to. I'm doing more like 4 days a week now instead of 5 or 6 what I did before. It kind of is easier, but nevertheless, all the little pleasures in life, you know, that we had, restaurants, pubs, and all those little things are kind of forbidden now. And it is becoming hard for the psyche. I mean, like, as I've said, I'm trying to do as much as I can, but it kind of feels like I'm working all the time. Even if I'm learning new things, if I'm learning like new skills, it's still learning. It's all like, and I honestly don't know how to relax. I would have to be tied up to relax. And yeah, I would like to say that I've watched a lot of movies. I haven't. That I've watched TV much. I haven't. Maybe 2 hours altogether in the last 3 months. And I would love to say that I slept along. I didn't the life is as usual for me. It's only more work, less fun. Well, except for the part with my partner, which I'm kind of grateful that I at least have my partner here, which is amazing. I don't know what I would do without him. I've been watching birds a lot. That has been my fun kinda, and yeah. Anyways, guys, keep safe, and you know, I hope all this will be over soon and we'll go back to our kink events and munchies and dungeons and all the fun stuff, and you know, the vanilla stuff as well, friends and family. Yeah. Until then, I'll see you.